the cityscape. Moving on to our next segment, which is the campus roundup. My correspondent Neha Detli joins me from St. Xavier's College, who's covering a blood drive over there. Over to you, Neha.
Thank you, Chinmay. I'm at St. Xavier's College, where the Social Service League, also known as the SSL, along with the Mahatma Gandhi Blood Bank, is organizing their biannual blood drive. Let's find out more.
The blood drive over the years has garnered an immense response across college. The students who have signed up have to undergo a set of procedures prior to donation to ensure that they are not underweight and their BP is normal. Their blood samples are tested for hemoglobin and then they proceed to donate. After donation, they are given refreshments and also a certificate from SSL.
We have with us Vrishti Jain, an SYBA student who's the secretary of Blood Drive. So, Vrishti, what exactly is the goal of SSL?
So we organize blood drive every year, which happens twice in the year. And the basic goal of this whole blood donation drive is to provide blood to the thalassomic kids at the Mahatma Gandhi Blood Bank in Bandra.
Okay.
So these are underprivileged kids who cannot really afford blood. So this blood goes to them, and they need blood every fortnight.
Okay.
They need like 2 to 4 bags of blood every fortnight, and so this blood basically goes to them to for their transfusion and everything. So that's the reason why we organize blood drive in this.
Okay, so have you set a target or something for this
No,
blood drive?
we haven't, because targets, and then if it's not fulfilled, it makes you sad, and shouldn't, because every donation counts.
Right.
And because every bag of blood helps save like about 3 lives, so it's okay with us, whatever comes around.
The atmosphere in the hall has been cheerful throughout the day, encouraging more and more people to flock to the venue.
We have with us a very enthusiastic donor, Catherine Thomas from TYBMM. So, Catherine, is this the first time you're donating blood?
It's not the first time I'm donating blood. In fact, it's the third time I'm donating blood. Last time when I came, they told me my hemoglobin was low.
Okay.
But this time I could, so I'm really happy.
Okay, and how was the experience overall?
It was a really nice experience. It feels really nice to, be able to do something for someone when most of the time we're just doing things for ourselves. It feels really nice to be able to help someone.
And that's what motivates you to come to blood drive.
What motivates me.
Thank you, Catherine.
Along with the blood drive, the SSL has also put up stalls selling lights, bags, badges, and clothes.
The blood drive organized by the SSL of St. Xavier's College has been a success this year, as always. The SSL has succeeded in motivating students to donate blood and thereby save more lives. And there has been active participation among students across all departments. That's all from here. With camera person Riya Joji, this is Neha Tetli reporting. Back to you, Chinmay.
Thank you, Neha. Before we move to our next segment, let's take a quick break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.